Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see problem number 1721, swapping nodes in a linked list. First, we'll see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic and the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So here I've taken the first example from the Leetcode website. So we are given a linked list where we need to swap the kth node from the beginning and the kth node from the end, right? So we have k is equal to 2 here. We need to pick the second node. This is 1 and this is 2 from the beginning. Now we need to pick the second node from the end as well. So this is 1 and this is 2. And we need to swap these two values, right? So here it becomes 4 and here it becomes 2. So now we are going to see how we are going to do this. So first we are going to find the kth node from the beginning of the linked list. So initially I will be having a left node pointer. I will point it to the head of the linked list. So to find the kth node from the beginning, it's pretty simple. So I will move my left node using the loop where I will start from 1 to k, right? So here k is 2 and we will start from 1, right? So since it is 1, I will move my left node. Then 1 increases to 2. Then the loop is ended. So this will be my kth node from the beginning of the linked list. So in order to find the kth node from the end of the linked list, I will have a right pointer pointing to the head of the linked list. Then I will be having a current pointer where I will initialize my current pointer as my left node. So my current pointer will be pointing to the left node, right? Then I will run the loop until my current dot next is null, right? By the time I will be moving my current pointer and right pointer simultaneously. So in this case, I will move my right pointer and my current pointer. So right will point to the second node and current will point to the third node. Then again the right moves and current moves. Then again right moves and current moves. So now current dot next is null. So after that we just swap the left and right node values. So here 4 and 2 are exchanged, right? So the time complexity will be order of n and space will be constant space. That's all the logic is. Now we will see the code. So before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting guys. So initially we have to find the kth node from the beginning of the linked list. So we are initializing a left pointer as my head. Then we will be iterating through from 1 to k, where I will move my left pointer. Then in order to find the kth node from the end of the linked list, we have to initialize a right pointer pointing to the head node. Then we have to initialize current variable as my left node, right? We will point the current variable on the left node where we found previously. Then I will write another loop where I will run the loop until my current dot next is null, right? I will move my current pointer and my right pointer simultaneously in this loop. Then we just need to swap the left and right values. Then finally we need to return the head node, right? That's all the code is. Now we will run the code. As you guys see, it's pretty much efficient. So as I said previously, the time complexity is order of n and space will be constant space. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. To get notifications of my videos, press the bell icon below. And also if you guys have any kind of questions, put that in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer your questions. Keep supporting, happy learning. Cheers guys.